All right, welcome back to Ballroom Feed and another Technique Tuesday. Today I'm going to be going over the follower's footwork for the Tango basic. So if you already saw, Chris already did the leader's footwork, so we're going to have some similarities on the side and drag part. But let's go over the backward steps here. So in terms of quality of movement and efficiency across the floor, it's important to use kind of the power of your feet to get you looking good and feeling comfortable. So we're gonna start there today. So anytime I take a backward step in the tango, I'm going to lead with the toe of my foot. Of course, this feels pretty normal because taking the heel would be pretty uncomfortable. So we're gonna reach back with the ankle stretched and the toe touching the floor. Now from here, I'm just going to roll on to that foot with my heel, and I'm going to do a toe release on the front foot. Let's actually focus on the first part of it, and then we'll go over the toe release after. So I'm reaching back with the toe, rolling onto the heel, reaching back with the toe, rolling onto the heel. So you can kind of see how I'm doing the backward step with the feet. Toe, heel, okay? Now if you notice, the front foot is also doing something as I'm releasing back. So instead of dragging this foot with the whole foot on the floor or even the toe, I'm trying to release the heel naturally so I get that power pushing backwards instead of dragging on the floor like this. So I'm gonna show you what's not good here. So I'm not gonna go like this and drag the foot back like this. What I wanna do is release the front toe, and it's gonna naturally have a little heel drag, I guess you could call it as well. So I'm reaching back with the toe, rolling onto the heel, and releasing the front toe. From here, I'm just gonna collect it underneath with the whole foot, and I'm gonna repeat the process on the other leg. So now I have the toe, I'm gonna roll onto it, releasing the front toe, now dragging the foot underneath my body with the flat foot now, okay? And then you can repeat that for the third step, okay? And then we have a side step coming up. So we have a toe heel, a toe release on the front foot for the first three. All right, so I go toe heel, toe heel, toe heel. Okay, and you can practice those steps on your own. Now for the side step, it's gonna be exactly the same as the leader's footwork. So it can get pretty advanced, but we can talk about it. So when I take a side step, I want to go on the inside edge of my foot and then roll onto the whole foot, okay? So we have three parts of the foot. We have the outside edge like this, we have the flat foot, which is just the middle part of our foot, and then we have the inner edges of our feet. So you can kind of roll back and forth and get the feeling of those three positions. For this particular pattern, we're gonna start by using the inside edge, which means I'm going to roll the feet inner towards myself, I guess. So from here, as I take the side step, I'm going to brush out the left foot with the inside edge of my foot, and then from here I have the whole foot on the ground, so I'm going to roll as I transfer the weight onto the whole foot, okay? So now my weight is in the middle of my foot. From here, I still am on the inside edge of the free foot, and I'm just gonna drag that on the inside edge. If you tap it, you can also tap it on the inside edge, or again, if you're not that advanced yet, don't worry about it. You don't have to worry about the inside edge thing. This is just gonna make it an easier transfer if you're working on more advanced technique, okay? So let's do that facing this way one time. So if I go to the side on the inside edge, I'm going to roll onto the whole foot. On the other inside edge, just dragging it in or tapping on the inside edge. So with the whole thing, I'm just gonna count the first toe heels, and then we already know about the toe releases in the front. We go toe heel, toe heel, toe heel, inside edge to whole foot, drag on the inside edge, okay? So I know that's a lot to take in, but most importantly, I would say work on the first three steps and then add in the side step, because that is a little bit more advanced in terms of the inside edge and all those crazy words you're probably hearing, but that is our basic footwork for the tango. So be sure to practice that and it'll level up your dancing for sure. See you guys next time. Bye.